I never thought I'd say the words, but Makita's 40-volt cordless microwave is finally here. This is an MW001 cordless 40-volt XGT microwave. Now this is going to be perfect for a number of people. If you're someone that's working out on the job and you know you're fancying a Rustler's burger but you've got no power source around, don't eat it cold because I mean that's just not a good idea. Stick it in a Makita cordless microwave and you'll have a lovely lunch prepared. Now if you're someone that's living the van life, this is going to be perfect for you, of course. I mean, you know, you're looking for everything battery powered, and this is yet another thing. I'm pretty sure you can fill up an entire kitchen now with purely battery powered products, and this is another way to go. You've got a lovely intuitive display on the front and it's quite simple to operate. I mean, it's a microwave, it's not a spaceship. You've got your power button on the front. You've got a setting so you can choose between it powering at 500 watts or if you just need something more of a gentle warm, you can use the 350 watt power as well. You've got a stop button and then you've got the play button or the start button. And this is a dial as well, so you can twist this to control how long the microwave's gonna be operating for, and all of that can be seen on the display on the front. Also on this display, you can see your battery life there, so you know you don't have to worry about your batteries going flat. You can stay on top of that at all times. And of course, when you open the door, this thing has an 8-litre capacity, so there's plenty of room, you know, to stick in your microwave meal, your pot of rice, your Rustler's burger, anything like that is going to be nice to go in there. And of course, you have lights as well, so you know you don't have to be sitting in the dark heating your food up. You've got that nice glow of the microwave shining on your face while you're sitting there like a menace, staring at your food, watching it getting cooked. This thing is, I mean, I love it. And this is amazing. Looking at the bottom of the microwave, you've got a nice little filter there that you can replace so you can keep this as clean as possible at all times. And we're not done. You've got a lovely USB port on the bottom as well. So while you're cooking up your lunch or your dinner, you can charge up your phone and anything like that as well. Now, looking at this, you've got two 40-volt XGT ports at the back. Now, we believe that this is purely for battery life and it only runs off of the one 40-volt battery at a time. But of course, it's a microwave, so you're gonna need a lot of power going into this thing. So having the two battery ports there mean that you can keep this going for as long as you need to get your dinner ready to go. And speaking of charge, you're probably wondering, what's the battery life of something like this? Well, we'll tell you. Now, if you were using two 40-volt XGT batteries, the 4-amp batteries, you were going to see this operating at 500 watts for a total of 15 minutes. However, if you were using two 8-amp batteries, you were going to see a runtime of 35 minutes at the highest setting. You can get this Makita 40-volt XGT cordless microwave over at its.co.uk. I've said all I need to say. Now, I'm going to go make me lunch.